Taco Bell has announced a tostada on a giant Cheez-It, 18 times the size of a regular Cheez-It. Now, this is important news. The Cheez-It tostada is a major advance in American consumerism and technology. What does it take to make a giant Cheez-It? I mean, that's not easy, you know?
Previously on TWiT. Hands-on photography.
Some of you folks are really curious about starting your own photography business. Well, I got to tell you, there's a lot of work involved, and we're going to dive into that.
Tech News Weekly.
Samsung Electronics announced that they have begun mass production of 3 nanometer chips. Yes, from 5 to 3. The newly developed first-gen 3 nanometer process can reduce power consumption by up to 45%, improve performance by 23%, and reduce area, of course, by 16%.
Security Now.
As of last week, finally, the masquerade is over, and the Conti ransomware operation has finally shut down its last public-facing infrastructure, which consisted of 2 Tor servers, which were used to leak data and to negotiate with victims. And, of course, no victims remain. So they're gone.
TWiT. Friends don't let friends miss TWiT.